Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free seed pack in Grow a Garden 2. So right now you can use free seed pack, and to get it, it's very easy. You can use the new redeem code, and to enter this redeem code, you can just tap on the settings icon, this one, and then scroll down and then just enter this code. The code is very easy, free seed, like this, and then just enter, and then after that you will get the 3 seed pack in here. For I already redeemed this code, so I already get this seed pack, uncommon seed pack, like this you can see it. And in here I already opened it and I got this banana seed, this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.